if you go me on ya e dele support no gba sin wa no le go po bi yan do mu dele support if you go le tu we wa go e go je go we on yo o na so we live do if you dele support yan do me wa wa Kuro bo do bi wa owo bi ala o ma se we ya do la bi o we bi ade if you o ma se we ya re ya mu do mi a
don't get back by you.
Una know say e get one I go dey my platform dey insult no dey I go insult una own everybody e ko bopero tanto elene video awa fi alaja if you insult my king for year irobi o after all ogwa e Yoruba land okere irobi ogwa sekete oh go to the Bible you see the king of Solomon king of enemy what they see now for Bible or say when I'm going because of what or level no ebo go there don't go there don't let me drive my mouth any don't let me drive my mouth sorry to Kubo say they come from Nana he said why I be like do your counterpart is Sarah Kubo why he get at me una no get nothing una no get me una no get anything here do buwa you here buwa to you or we are the authorian already that dele one na the drag na they won't come remove her if you go me on ya e dele support no go sin
Ọ̀pá dìdì ukongbe ọ̀pá ika ọ̀pá dìdì ukongbe wa gbon era mi wa chawo ile nwa e do be san ọ̀pá no kele sari ko to ku bona mere eri o we lo tesa legal le ya legal wa ọ̀gá mi we ya kian so wa we obi e to ne dore but anyway what a Lolo gume Lolo anu ajose ya giungie if you do with too much of it is bad so pa ya ga tabe noji abegian ya ga vie iga ye on tita iga begi e omena on tita ya tala be o ya tamame ya didu kama gbon we sorry no magiri okay your bohionri en o mu seizo iwo go salobwane o ruwe be no we confess your sin you shall be forgiven me na igbe o wana do come me na ita we na we dey already mu se we azo wa my can so if you do ni mo se if you do no go me wa ya to na gbon ma wa gbe nwa laru wa ti okpo miliki na no gbasha wo vitali nde etu enoruwe e yari fofafo etu enoretu enore akarai aga megbo wan ogbo wan under 24 days iye owo momo yin ma wu ebe na egbedi ne no ya gbegbe abia nuwalaru wa tu opa didi na no kon de wo ana ma oni te gwegbon kere da de video na ni mie o se na wi ndo gwegbon wewe eme a palace na pe no pa ikala ke fun ngwe iyan bon meri e manu gbuni ye neso iyan we a palace en hard working a palace yan we asawunya we ya se social media iyan no so a palace na be social media no na do hin mani pe na da agbon yo na ipa opa ika lovely de ba vie kale ko imam ni asimi o ime asawu ni agbe podo e palace se eni na mamigo imae upupo ye aye palace go mostly opa didi na no ro no ma ni gbe na ni o ibe ki o ma se be ya o lo ma se ti abu ibi e ka no ro de ni o ki o ma se be ya o ba we won ni gaduгadu ni ne de ba we ni gaduгadu ni ikebe ni gaduгadu ni ne o ge gbo mo ma we tu no ri ayan kara ara mo egbo ma we bo ogbo wa o ma oye no ma bia mu we ni iye o we uyen ye de tight O ma wu eni ogodogino. O ma wu ogodogino. Wa gume ya mwere wa gume ya woleri. O you no real life video do wa woleri deni ka bi ungi lolo na anu ajose. Lolo anu ajose. So, ina weni do gi ungwe okwo ni ne yulo deshe no bia ne yulo deshe ogwo the first wife wey born for Yule Doche. No be him pack comot for Yule Doche house o. No be him break the contract o. Na Yule Doche comot for the house. Go marry to another person wife. That under 3 years he born 3 pikin. He say one pepper him first wife. Now you see her now. That woman pikin kpa you see am o. Inside this stress, that woman pikin by Lolo, you see and you thought say you not see her. You see. Judy and the man, when the pikin by Judy and the man, in nobody's 2 weeks, they come they dance. They come they dance, say that woman pikin by. You not be say you not see her Lolo. And not be every time I will tell you insult you, or every time I call you to talk to you. Last year, I warned you 2 times for this the woman body wey pikin by so. Not be that woman pack comot for the house, not be spoil the house, go born for another man. Oh. Now you let those comot, go and follow another person wife. You even see say Obasi, they come every day, come they describe that woman. 3 days ago, Obasi come say, he go the house, they send, you let those they send the children Igbo, make they go they buy Igbo, the record they will pay for here. Not be say you not see him. I don't know whether this saga does pull all of our brain and not come get sense again. I not come know. But I want your consent message for you, Lolo. That woman, if you dey take side, if that woman need care swear for you, what you do, pikin me do your pikin, and also say that your son, you fit take and solve the problem. And also say that your son, now you dey find a trouble, because not be this woman pack comot for the house, say you know they marry again. Now you let those pack live out. This woman, you know, just born 1 year for outside. The woman don't know. He don't know for house Lolo. I say why they repeat and for you, why they tell you me for get sense. And he don't stop. He born 3 under 3 years. That woman pikin by Lolo. You let those with Judy. They call the dance. They call the celebrate with pikin. By they 2 weeks. Pikin waiting for 17 years. You know the pace with that woman they face Lolo. You know the pace with that woman they face Lolo. Okay, you want me the woman there for us make the press of power. He don't get husband for us. He husband come on live for us for another man Lolo. He go born under 3 years. He first pikin wey they go 17 years by Lolo. You say na that woman you go dey bully every day Lolo. I no one come insult you. They say na parable. No, no say una way they do saga every day. Una way say una go school. Una no get sense. A person no come tell una. A person no come tell una give una sense. Una head no go correct Lolo. I know I just said. Wait, pikin wey dey for 17 years. That woman pikin wey dey for 17 years back. The husband still dey for outside. No, you no know where they bury the pikin put. You don't know where they bury the pikin put. You don't know where they bury the pikin put today. Now that woman they bully Lolo. I fear no fear you. I fear no fear you. I fear no fear you Lolo. I know I just said. You be real wicked person. You be e. I have no fear insult you now. If I call you insult you, go be like say me we to get personal quarrel. I be say when I call tell you. May organic nation may they call you put you in order. I know say people, if you want to listen to people who get sense for there, they will give you sense, say what you do so not good. Now I say when I can't throw parable for outside, may they go send her for you Lolo. What you go do? If you don't want to bias, you block that woman better way, you block the other one better way. Not be saying you go the bully person way picking there for 17 years. The time when your husband not come up for the house, the pikin not back. The pikin just come up for us, it back. Inside this stress. trauma na ekpa that pikin trauma thinking say papa go born for outside man pikin waiting for 7 na boy 17 years trauma na ekpa that pikin o you no dey think of that one lolo you dey bully him mother no be that woman comot for the marriage house o no be him break the contract o na you like this to break am you no go sleep with another man o you no go sleep person wey go sleep with another man wife now wey collect another man wife you no bully that one you dey take side I dey look you now this one dey do better thing for social media people dey look una but I wan say one come tell you say immediate effect may you get away from that woman body or me with you go start am I go leave everything wey I dey do for this cyberspace me with you go dey start am I'll come prove you to the world all the old video when I just cut keep for your body lolo I'll come dey prove you say you be I don't know I still say that Monica me just say na Monica na bad but when I come go deep I come see something so I don't want to go deep now I just send message to organic cream make dem come tell you so hello my people wanna call this Atiti for me this second hand ashawo we do ashawo for Italy make una say wanna Atiti wo Atiti you know say if I dey look you I go just dey laugh because say you no get sense you fit get passport wey dey take bus dey waka wey no get bicycle for Europe na you be all your mates Iyore Ugoelin he don see driving license that day don dey drive now you dey take your passport dey enter bus come dey work for social media every morning dey carry nyash up and down your nyash wey dey smell dey carry up and down for social media every day I dey look you you dey carry nyash dey rub me prick for bus if man wan pass for inside bus you go take your nyash dey rub in their prick for bus I no wan come talk to you o Atiti enter house immediate effect get inside before I go descend on you I say me descend this side before I come talk to you I know when I testing then I come so you as a grown up woman Atiti if you read get sense your mama train you well for house I not sure because your mama na divorcee your papa you don't leave your papa if you read get sense you be grown up person for this cyberspace now you supposed to have advise all those children not be say you don't know the truth because you be evil you be wish wey dey drive for Ewokimi wey no see where destroy you say na Benin you wan come you no get where you dey go but wetin I wan come tell you Atiti you know say na because of this palace matter na the draws go palace na the draw go Awosomba 7 years ago you never see comot you don prove yourself come on say you be Ogunyoba now if you no know I just see where you come prove yourself all wetin dey talk since then when the country draws go palace now you say your papa na Yoruba you say your papa na Ojuju server I don see am finish no you be Ogunyoba you don display yourself Ogunyoba now and na that Benin dey pass the same way dey lay cause oppose Ogunyoba people now people wey no want make Benin get peace the same way dey lay cause you dey among of the people wey dey lay cause for because you don prove yourself come out now you don prove yourself I don see am the video I don keep am na that Benin you go pass you say Sani Tokunbo dey come Edo State na the same Edo State you be na the same Edo State you be if you no know me you know Sani Tokunbo na match dey get if he get soldier na place he get soldier no be for Benin land if election come na say that one dey find money if election come na say that one dey find money so wetin I wan try to tell you Atiti I don't want you to talk to you well this afternoon I want you to control party before you that your big nyash wey you take dey rob people ekia for inside bus before you enter inside bus if you want enter bus go take your big nyash dey rob people ekia for before you enter inside bus I don't get that for you You think say you be see small pikin or car? You think say you be see small pikin? You know say na me get your medicine. Na me get your medicine when I fit come give you when I take drive you at house. Eh? That one way put you for house now. You don't use toto. You that one Olala mu no ya enwe ya na only give me more boy. The day when that one will carry back leave you now. Now you go know. For your all your years now, you don't go 55 years. You know, try make man go put money for your head, make man go pay bed price for your head. You just work for social media video buy car. You just work every day. Abi? I don't know why you can't talk to you. I just say I can't give you warning. You think say you be see small pikin because you not born pikin come out for your kpekos. You think say your toto it dey intact. You no know say that toto they buy BS when they come out for inside. If they swear for person your if you not see, tell you your president that day now you ready for do driving license. Who go early? And I said they drive motor now. Off here, off here. Well, for many years no work by car. Who salary boss? Working like boss. Who you keep young? If you can't care. Who you keep young? If you can't care, if we go move. Go dore. Who you keep young? Will there care? Eh? Imani do go work by car. A kere when you are in winner 30. I want you to get inside immediate effect. In no day big candle, don't intervene again. Intervene. Or una wonu lo tornado ni gbera. O tornado mi we your boy. Uma you no hear me no kadore. Una wo fi owo la tornado ni. Una fi owo la tornado no here gbo pa ika. Since we ki ogun ba ni. Since I just state we kere, gbegbe edo when I will wait you well tornado ni. Una wonu lo do gbera ario tesan. Since we were mistake to work. Edo we alak gbera una le do gbera tornado gbo usunwu. Wa lo do fi ala of yagi gbo e. Wa lo de orion igbo e. Wa lo do kwa ala okwa igbo e. Edo kin aje no pa ika. Imani edu so agbon epo gbo e. Okpa didi. Isi awe yore na we driving license. Iyore if you moto kia with there na nia. Oga oyo bo pa ye glass. O de bo pa ladian. O yo bo ro pa fi e kian. Oh. Bo do mani wo boy sina. Do boni wo boy sina. Eh? But I will make it when I feel moto. Wa here la boss. Who you kebe ya nwe ke piano wo wa. Who you kebe ya nwe ki agbera. O piano wo wa. Na e bia ka no da be sagbon. 17 years, 20 years. Who you kebe nwe ki a ula we boss. E kwe bo emu o pa ka. E gwe me to gu e gwan wa bi afie. The man wait there for front. If you want to boss man there for front, he go say you dey take at the press by you kebe we carry go say leave her there. Eduta. Imere won mena ma. He when don't want you No do a palace na sima we are go. Minister, when you were getting when I dinner, when they deny for me, you know what you do, so you be evil like this. If you don't like Bini, come on for those cyber space. If you don't like Bini, no pass inside Bini, go in and land again. Anything will pass on. See, Igbo people who they praise, the worst pastors. Now they sleep with another man's wife today now. Ian love your keep where they Igbo. Go look at all of them, they full social media when they sleep with another man's wife. Now they praise before. You not feel beaten. You not feel beaten. If now do people now people go they cause every day, you not feel beaten for the atrocity what they do. You say now since 10 years now you say now palace matter owe you. The person where he send you message, plus you will make you the insult that palace. Any day we step your leg into that Benin land. If you pass of why side of why boy, while you do Oriomo boy, while of Igwe, a palace in Iragbo, or ever in a Kebio, Diagona, or Ragbona Kebira, or Ragbona Kebira, or Ragbona Kebidwe. A Midway Massati, where as the new York walk by car. It be a Ganure the boy, Benon area, and Yokamu area, and be up back of Padity. Oh, what a tessan. Eh, what part of Bigby again, we are. Market me up if you don't say when you were when you like you were to be again. Near Quemu, I be yet to send when you go to Massati be a movie where. Oh, you go where you're the tax. We not yet buene. We not cook buene, no mammy can only go you own. I've organized no way you told a date of one. A date of one where he. Egg no gay or Silane. Why you take one way alone at the Lolo Ani, Udoyak Balikebo, Dukuku, who you take when you get. Who that make up in the one way rope, Ubabale Lao of your Laye or Laye war, of your war when you get. Uma will get the Delo Pagdi. Where men were to Kubasine. You have been swinging what it is well. Immense when ya or quite carry me lay. The men lay, a men dog at boy. Could work in what plan he can't go one. Of Yaga, you are cool, I'll feel well after that doing. Anna, Hina. Nigo nothing. Nigo nothing. That is a very obvious. What we do? Ọ̀pá-dìdì uwera Yorùbá uwera gebo ebo magabedo magemi omebedo ono se mana Edo State na habit of Nigeria say mana me second kingdom in the world ebo magemi ome year 2000 year do me church re a church yin adora mo wori apa ika only Jesus can say last year 2000 year adora mo wori ayimabo egene debo ije upogagba iye mo ya gbanu awogi asun iye mo bolo iye mu elo iye tie bolo e eri ero mo awere iye we tie bolo e ami no do emirie ami no do emirie wo de begala bi jo mo na we na ami okwo no he wala we bo na abi gbi agiara gba na do mo yari ya be do. Bwana mwe yari ya utesa ukwa gbabere ya yo mo ya opela dia wo kia so ko la iku po ba no iya ru rupa wo be ya file kwa dan me bogbe no wo ni mwe wori ya eri awe gene dede. If you know what is good for you now, before I come for you, you need to come with the affairs of those children. Make them stop this nonsense. Because now you do engineer them to do evil. Since now you do engineer them, they do evil. Now you be the senior among all of them. Now you are comfort, not comfort any of them. Now you are comfort. If you be better person, they need to give you community may repair by car. They need to give you a community may you repair. Because say you be actually will not get sense. If they give you community, that's say because repair. The whole actually will get Europe, then you park for the by car. Eh? What pay shower shop? What? You if they don't give you commitment repair, you go that browser, you go the buy for Alice Express. They give the whole actual women the thing they pack their breast, make the thing they give carry the whole man. Eh? Atiti. Now small video now say I can't drop. Bona said I go meet am. Me just mention you. If you know what is good for you, you need to come with the advice of those children. Not the children where entered Europe yesterday, you were entered 1999. Now you with children where entered 1990, you were entered Europe 1999. Now na two one go dey drag Edo. You know the you see be Edo person, you be Sienza person. Na Italy person you be Italiano, now you be Italiano, now you be Okpaeka, you not be na Edo Isha again. Why we go kona no man egbe now? Opaika. You know say now because of this matter. Now made the draws go palace. You know say that because of this matter. Now they draw me, Mama Joy, Tete, Osazewe Mwe. Now they pack all of us go palace. Now this matter, now you see the draw. You don't say because of this matter, I go a long way when I take draw men, when I take insult many people don't see here. When I take insult many people don't see here. And the same matter, now you see the draw now. Now I know you say you be evil. Now I know you say you be just a disgrace to the society. And at the same matter you see there. As they try you go palace, try you go everywhere. What you supposed to do? If you see person where they measure palace, you supposed to give them advice as a senior woman where you be. I pass say my papa tell me say you are just a disgrace. People when they see you for grand now, all your legs just sit down for London. You don't be like a dete. You don't feel all your legs be missing and sit down for grand. If you go party, you know they shame. If you don't do makeup for face, you'll be like which way flight is they break. Yeah? Opaika. Atiti. I never come home. My people, make you help me share this video, make go viral. I say when I come here and testing. Any more video to you where you throw me, must go beneath from today. I dey come for you. Since you don't know your roots where you for come, I can't tell you your roots. When I go to tell you, each and people where they clap and follow all of them go surprise you where I think they tell you your root where you for come. Because Ashawo no know road of house. Ashawo they lost. Now this Wahala with your mama do where they drive your mama for palace of a walking in. Now this way your mama do where the driver for walking in part they go if they go Pema, you go there for side of color for bush. You want to start time again for Edo people. I go to beat you this time. Because no people, all those people when you count it up, they don't know the journey where we don't pass for this matter. I'll come expose you. Make them for no say you be evil, you be destroyer. If you know what is good for you now, that man will put you for house, or that man will you put for house. That is your man will not get in your sense. It's supposed to throw you a task now immediately. Not be the one with the rest people they do. Now 3 video, 4 video I can't do for you, go they start to craze for life. You know me now. You know me now. Now me with you they drop because of this same matter. 7 years ago, now they draw go away so about draw go palace. When I tell they say I defend you, say you not do one. And I call the see now. You say your papa and Yoruba. You say your papa and Juju server. Now Bini with the now Juju with the serve for Bini. We don't get anything with the serve. Now yet 2000. Now they call Brigolo Jesus can say come. When they bring my papa tell me those years say they want country can spoil the society. And really the country can spoil the society. Hello, lovey. Hello, darling. Hello, black guy. How are you? Where have you been? Where have you been? Your voice looks sweet this afternoon. How are you doing? You really like video go voice what? If voice what really gear that gear your mail. Just laugh on my ear, please. I want you to laugh on my ear, please. My honey, my sugar. Hey, Jimmy, I dey catch it cool. Oh, on a hit me. Oh, America wonder. Mommy, nika my mina naso. Iba have here. Ina wa abana me yara wari. Abana me yara we a last match of a World Cup. Ni kan gbe America, ni ahia. Ni age last match. Ke me na para me na da ka mi na me are last match of World Cup na agbe America. E na wa para me na we show what wa give ni Jonah Pro. No ya move ye Ghana we bandit or party with Nigeria no move ye Ghana we all parliament. Oh when he play I win. Okay, it's just a boy. Oh. No lunu ya se aviye be ave mwene lagba bi ni akai. No lunu wa se sis wa do de gbe ma emi na we this last match of World Cup the agbe final Atiti will be in America. Oh aseme wo. Ye wa gbe se yo be wa gbe se yo. Emi na mete fe. Yen wa re oba na me no wa re yan wa se ne. Ihwe apa. In the last match of the World Cup now, I need to be in America to go and watch that last match. Yeah, in a week, we say now we was on. In a week, making on that day, Ogario, someone said, he give us the same when I went out, Opiakpala was going to go Wahala Lele. So I will not so, honor the Queen Wahala Lele. A police in our ferry, a police in it. In here, Bemela, the only need a police with your money they pay. Why it no be aware meeting a junkie with junkie and a junkie you know all what the police is what in Morino eh nice one we go tell Morino we no tell Morino to a junkie we may wait a junkie with the police na go when we you my junkie with the oh almost when you move your man what ye go where you let e be magbe that must work. The police were in here, but where you let. Also, in our been in Niger. Eti me mina no de na mina me obela me win area American ya go see last match. Sa boy all said me no say na yiwe. Amen. Do mu dia me. Opa didi we ni go go am me. Opa didi age o me. When we last 5 years, I be 6 years, you hear a Yagusi, my walk by Kayu Titi, Simari, a palace, who never do none of my dog by Kanai, Wagi, who get it. Or that babies were not party D. All party the Yagek Boyoka. Is here you're the way traveler says, if you're a good bogo, moto, or Paka, while I was all the way, it can be piano robo. Opeka ye when we kebe mwe biaka kebe e kia we ke bossy. Ediga your boss will wait to that dress. I will live and there. Let me take a papa you. Eh? Opa didi. Iga renwe. Iga is a bue. Ah, you a talo. Ujime ho. A traveler says you must take him out your no come passport Italian. We have to be Italy. It's more than 15 years, 20 years. We have to be Italy. You must take the traveler says. Why you keep keep your car with boss? Yeah, when my address we live out there. See, I remember Papa Kawe, remember Papa Kawe, or Pai. Oh, we not worry, live out there. Oh ya siki, oh ya you kebe making agbera, or can la boss. Oh you kebe, oh you kebe papeking agbera. Oh we madam, yeah we madam. You take her away live on there. Let her dead there. Ekwe mo pa eka. Ina renwe. Oh talking on level, I'm making a level talk big this time. Because if Nagu see me at your palace, now me like yaga tie bonogia me ba. Every yeuna, this time we not go, we not pity with you. You have a word me, because you jania jam me begging ya fe. You have to when this time. Because what's here na rovia begging. We are kawo umata, and we're there going to tell us so in here. You are this time. Ojania team again to boy banapaka immediately get inside immediately and keep your mouth shut. Dirty woman like you are a disgrace to the society. A shago win weji. You don't go find the day where you tiff a far away just to money cost you. Say you know go there. I'm not do banaway. Gagbo wenia. Omu we ma bie. pikin wey dey give you for whole land na you dey call your pikin that one mama kpai wey go carry him for market that one mama kpai for whole land then you get passport you carry the pikin go house na you dey call your pikin today you see dey look your pikin you see dey look yourself small pikin etu wey una ruwe wọ fafo ne a driving license women more than 20 years ìwé wébo 35 years ìwé wébo Wahala bọ́sì uyikebe nwiki biekani always madam dress always leave her there Wahala bọ́sì uyikebe nwiki biekani we boss uyikebe nwiki ya gbẹ́gẹ́ jule gbẹ́gẹ́ ukelebo ọ̀fìẹ̀gẹ̀ straight ball wú mọ́tò wọ ọ̀fìẹ̀gẹ̀ straight ball ọ̀fìẹ̀gẹ̀ kíá. Ìjọba ìwé sùn àfihàn free straight ball wú mọ́tò náà ìjọba ìwé fẹ́rẹ̀ straight ball wú mọ́tò náà gbé ayé lẹ́bọ̀sọ̀ ayé kébé ń wí kíbi ẹ̀ka yà lọ́dà làwé bò ìyá wẹ́ mọ́tà tẹ́sí wẹ̀ lífà dẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀mú wẹ̀ so a boss will not be kwani masha ya gbo ìwé boss ni ya we drive license this time ya je gbo ya we drive license so Opaika people wey no know I wan make them know your fit come talk wetin make them draw me go juju wetin make me like start to insult me for this live video na because of you na because of you na make when you the way me like dey insult you na make me go attack me like so Opaika na because of you dey draw me go juju place Ekonorue those years say you dey throw my go palace and you don start am again now say when I come give you say dirty warning I come give you dirty warning now make you learn make you enter house because everything when I take deal with you dey for my hand then you know me you are just evil in society. So my people, God bless you. I see you there, Mama. Mama, I don't know as you come waka. Oh. I don't know as you come waka. You don't let me know as you come waka for where you go. I see una there, una good evening, una welcome. God go bless everybody. Mona tell me you call me Mama. So, Atiti. Now short video now say I can't drop oh. Now short video now say I can't drop Atiti. Make una pressure our shop for me. Here pay shower shop, here pay like your team. But pay shower shop here like your team, man. Opaika. Atiti. Johnny Sawewe where Yahweh traveler says hey yikebe nye bibi biaka kia we bossy. E ni Opaika wa bi onisa go we bossy e wa re dog gine pa we live there. Atiti Ekumere o you je me dore. You don't say that because of this Benin matter and the drugs go palace where they milaki because of you now they come to insult me those years. You know say this matter and make me start to insult on me there for a fair platform. This Ogyoba matter and make me start to insult a fair. Now make me insult a fair insult on me there. You know say that this matter you they come again when I dey alive. You know the shit. You know the shape. That's your brother, that's your sister with the friend the Guion before. I'll draw everybody come out now. That's your sister with the friend the Guion that time. I will draw everybody come out, all of us come that time. I'll draw all of them come out now, all of us come rub our poto. Take time, oh. Come on, matter for Benin matter. Or anything when you pass Benin land. Or if you pass of why side of why boy, if you pass of your side of your old work, here when I'm about Bogio by a fefe, or why me here the back, or no the back of your became boy. Was he going to be done? Was he going to be done? In your boy, if you want Bubba, you don't want in it, a big can well Paika. Eh? I will be losing on Italy. Or say we not count Opaika. Do what if you with the VA get problem. If you the VA get problem. If you with the VA get problem, me with the VA face body. If you are small picking for your death, if you are small picking for your grand, for your body, if they cost you like nothing, you dey beat and they go, people go they respect you. No trauma go where you're not supposed to trauma go. Samore, I see you there. Samore, my big brother Samore. Eh? Okpadidi. You know say I dey make people declare people who not know Tito before. Now this matter, this Ogionba matter. Now make they draw me, you Tete, Mama Joy, Osazo Wegi, the draws go palace those years. When we go for a platform, now they start to sort of me there. You know say that this matter, you want come back again. So I dey warn you now. Samore no clear. Samore no be here. Wato pe domo sa ofu egbe mucha ni e ye ne se o ke mugbe ofu egbo gogo gwero muna wari gadin o pe kanu no le wo posi 35 years no ma say we drive license no we talking about driver here si we fen ya gbegbe okay go wa da ya gbegbe win egbe wa wo me o wa finu ge gegeya owo we eniyan wi o ba no so yan iwe za kon abi wa gbe ni me mu ti da we o Padidi, I want you to stop the division. We are one. I want you to stop the division. We are one of Paika. Wa gbe ni da we wa gbe ni mo ni iwe ni kan won ni ne o laja wa pe to deal with say the year winner in off for 3 days na ya gbe di na yin dana you see me area a palace for the first time. You see me area Konobe for the first time but a nonsense in of a una Paika na wa de gbe we so again. At this time of your age, you are still disgracing yourself in the society. A gbogbo daughter, a gbogbo nonatic. They do like some pikin every day. A two away for ne. You don't get black BS again. A pancake who go out be yao. Iwa ya meter glasses if a robo. Ijore be fie go wi moto na ugweli. Ere be fie go wi moto. We are can let boss you can be we be a kia. Here where my dad just will live on there. Eh? Oh, who wire siran and water, wire no money. Why you cook and when you do well, I don't know what he where you siran and water, one year go no way. Wahala boss you can be we be a kakia, you can be we be a kakia, you can be we be a kakia. Here where my dad say dress, who will live on there? He wear makeup glasses forever. Oh, we can be lagba. Oh, what about the total? Thank you for the gift. Thank you for the gift. God bless you for the gift. Your days belong. As you bless me, somebody will bless you. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Opa, can I come for you? Now maybe the Messiah of Facebook at it up. Up where am I? I know they support Batio. You know, so now because of this Benin matter, now the drugs go palace those years. When I carry you, I call you godmother. You not be ashamed they give me so, but your cost where all of the cost me that time, and then if you all of them, they be like king. Now shame at this place to give me some Kwaika. Look here, Kwaika. I go to beat you now. That cost me they cost me that time. I want to go pour on for your body now. 8 hours. I don't want to see you for live video again from now on. Useless woman. That's your husband. On why I'll call bring a picture of consent message to her tomorrow morning. That another man or wife, another woman, husband will put for house. Where you just spoil the life. So I'll call send message to her tomorrow morning. That man where they do guy for Euro, where they do guy for club. That man where they do guy for club, you know if you get a paper, you know if you put money for your head. 54 years now. Man, never pay your bed prices when you come this earth. You know the shame of Paika. Where move where? $56 years, very soon you complete 60. No man don't pay your bed price as you your con life in the top boy. You don't get sense. You don't know the one waiting for your body. If person don't grow good, near God. You not near God. In where you they talk say bomaga, but you say now you be native doctor. You they tell uponoba for body. You know say you don't get sense. You don't know what's your quite with the bring white shock. They tie their cloth for body. And they wait out if you don't wear bomaga. But you show we kill him one. I shall come be. It any pen well. But you know what's your quite we go the carry chalk. You go tie their cloth for body. Hey, Saloboa. Hey, Saloboa. Baga isi ko ogun panu ohun dan pa ikala pa didira ohun dan owo Saloboa no gbogi forgiman eboga ebo magabe do ma geniyan be onyin me dan na oya za we don praise na wo ya season no we don praise we don praise don't prisoner or we don't prisoner la bille don't prisoner on a put don't prisoner for only we na dano at least only me no give I go through never why and no give what you know that we no give this one agree don't prisoner wa dan la dia don't prisoner wa dan la dia always see egbe na no give always see egbe ni a do you no give na we dan dog yen yeah. First time I was no catch your zone here no gi or was sorry why mama no go the top put why mama no go the top put always we gbe na ria when your wife can't do your wife can't dey for it am I work pa kara le to un dana je de dana o ya le to don't tear up. Larry, where we are, don't tear up. Don't add them, don't tear any go. So if you are doing must if you don't know where I have to not mama. It's just short message. I don't want to take. But tomorrow morning I can't send message to online, no. I can't bring a picture. Send message to them. May take you at house. Do something back or mama won't. Ìjọba ṣe sọ máa wọ́n wọ̀n náà múgójú ọ̀hún òun múgójú ọ̀hún ẹ̀wẹ̀ sẹ́bà wẹ̀ alábọ̀s uyìkèbé ń wí kí ẹ̀yà rẹ̀ bọ́ọ̀sì uyìkèbé ń wí kí ẹ̀yà rẹ̀ pọ́ọ̀sì uyìkèbé ń wí kí ẹ̀yà yín àwọn èèmọ̀dà tẹ́sí wẹ̀ live and there. Ugwu ẹ̀lì èrú ugwu ẹ̀lì rẹ̀ pọ́ọ̀sì rí mọ́tò náà èrú rẹ̀ pọ́ọ̀sì ọ̀bẹ̀ àfi ẹ̀kíyàn ọmọ mẹ́bùn ọ̀rọ̀. Okine bonoro okine bo eri ofiere to yo ma o eri ofiere to yo ma o eri ofiere to yo ma o okine bo aba pento boy o pento ya ye wan yo esteri o fiere to yo ma o fiere ma mi o pa ka fiere yo ma o onye uwekebe nwe kia ya be bossi if you carry another one or you can or your school can or school day can or what or you can be me here or we mother shift I will leave her there Egelania some are possible attach any your pack up we can be that here or put your on ya we boss ìdènú ẹ̀ wà kú ẹ̀.